Can she dance? Can she sing? Can she act? Kung ang sagot ninyo ay puro yes, then si Sarah Geronimo. Patanungin ko kayo, masasabi nyo ba na si Sarah Geronimo ay pwede nating sabihin ultimate star? Una, kapag sinabi nating ultimate star, can she dance? Can she sing? Can she act? Can she also be comedic when the scene requires it? Can she be pang-love team material? All those questions, kung ang sagot ninyo ay puro yes, then there's a big chance na siya ay isang ultimate star. What made us discuss this ultimate star probability of Sarah Geronimo is that ina-assess ko sa pagdating sa larangan ng pagkanta, I'm sure wala namang makakapantay sa pinakita ng Asia's songbird na si Regine Velasquez. Ngayon, merong part na hindi nagagawa si Regine na nagagawa ni Sarah Geronimo, and that is dancing, right? Ngayon, kung titingin tayo sa mga dancers na mga kilala, na mga magagaling sumayaw tulad ni Maha Salvador, ni Yasi Pressman, can these girls sing like Sarah Geronimo? Obviously, they are not. Pagdating naman sa acting skills, pwede natin siyang ilinya kay pwedeng Catherine Bernardo, pwedeng Bea Alonzo, pwede rin ba kay Angel Locsin. These girls that I mentioned are very good with their acting skills and craft. Very believable, multi-awarded. The question is, can they also sing and dance? Can they do what Sarah is doing? So kayo po ang sumagot. But if you're going to ask Transform Media PH, Sarah could be the ultimate star of the Philippines. In fact, ang kanyang mga supporters, ang kanyang mga fans, sinasabi na siya ang Beyonce of the Philippines. No need to discuss kung anong credentials ni Beyonce, but if you will ask me, bakit kailangang ihalin tulad ko pa siya kay Beyonce, kung pwede ko namang sabihin, she could be that ultimate star of the Philippines.